Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Google Earth zoom edits and map transitions are incredibly popular for travel vlogs, educational content, and storytelling as they provide a dynamic and visually engaging way to introduce or transition between locations. CapCut's robust keyframing, masking, and overlay features make these effects achievable on both desktop and even your mobile phone. This tutorial will guide you through creating beautiful Google Earth zoom edits and map transitions in CapCut. The first part is gathering your materials. This is the most crucial step. The quality of your Google Earth footage is paramount for a clean edit. So this is how you can record your Google Earth footage. You will need to use Google Earth Pro, which I would recommend for desktop. This is the best tool for high quality, smooth zooms in or out. You just need to download and install Google Earth Pro. It's just free in here, as you can see. And once you have it installed, just open it and in here search for your desired location. This is an important thing to note. Use the navigation controls, that is zoom in or out, tilt, rotate, to manually create the zoom path you want. We need to record what we are doing. Use a screen recording software like OBS Studio, which is free as well. For Windows 11 like me, you can use the free snipping tool or QuickTime Player for macOS to record your Google Earth session. This is a tip for it. Record for longer than you think you need, especially the zoom in or out parts, to give yourself flexibility when we will be editing in CapCut. For ultra smooth animations, professionals use Google Earth Studio and a browser-based animation tool. It offers keyframe animation, point-to-point transitions, and even 3D camera exports. While more complex, it yields the most dramatic or cinematic results. You can record your output from Earth Studio. You can try that out. We have map screenshots or images for simpler map transitions, not true zoom. You can just take screenshots of a map, e.g. Google Maps, Apple Maps, at different zoom levels. Now you need your main video clip, the footage you want to transition into from the map, e.g. your travel vlog clip at the destination. Now let's get to the second part, that is creating the beautiful zoom edit. And this is just direct zoom. This method focuses on taking your recorded Google Earth footage and making it smooth and impactful. Import your footage in here. You just need to make sure that you have opened CapCut and you have created a new project. And in here, import your recorded Google Earth zoom in footage and your destination video clip. Now you can trim the Google Earth clip, place the Google Earth clip footage onto the timeline like this by dragging it onto the timeline like this, and just trim the beginning and the end to adjust the relevant zoom in or out action. You also need to identify the exact frame where the map becomes fully zoomed in on your destination. This is your transition point. Now you can enhance the zoom with keyframes, which is optional, but I would recommend it. Select your Google Earth clip, go to video here, and then basic, and then just find position and size or scale parameter. Now place your playhead at the beginning of your zoom in clip. Click the keyframe icon, this one here, diamond with a plus like this, and then move the playhead to the end of your zoom in where it's fully zoomed in on the destination. You can just now adjust the scale of the Google Earth footage to visually enhance the zoom effect, making it even larger if desired. So CapCut will automatically create a new keyframe like this, and you can now smooth out the animation. Select the two keyframes on the timeline. Between them, you might see an option for graph or ease. Just select an ease out graph for the first keyframe and ease in for the second to make the zoom start fast and slow down or vice versa, creating even a more natural feel. Now add whoosh sound effect. Go to audio here and then sound effects. Just search in here whoosh by typing it in here, or even wind or fast zoom. Drag it to the timeline and align it with the peak of your zoom in. Let's get to transition to destination clip. Drag your main destination clip onto the timeline immediately after the Google Earth clip, like this. Now this is the ideal transition. The goal is a seamless cut at the exact moment the Google Earth footage is fully zoomed in. Now we have color grade and enhance. Apply similar color filters or adjustments to both the Google Earth clip and your destination clip to ensure a consistent visual look. For the Google Earth clip, you might want to slightly increase the saturation or sharpen it. This is the third part now, creating map transitions. Now we shall need map to live action. This method focuses on transitioning from a static or slightly animated map onto your live action footage. Import the media, import your chosen map images or a screenshot of Google Maps and your destination video clip here. You need to drag them onto the timeline as well. So for map, pan or zoom, if not a recorded zoom, place your map image on the timeline. You now need to keyframe, pan or zoom at the start of the map clip. Add a keyframe for position and size. Adjust the map's size and position to show a wider area. Now move the playhead towards the end of the map clip, add another keyframe. So adjust the map size and position to zoom in to your destination. Now use graph or ease as we did in our first part to smooth the pan or zoom animation. You'll also need to add a zoom out effect simulating the map dissolving. Find the transition point where the map is fully zoomed in on your destination. So for the first method, that is effect here, you now need to go to the effects panel here, just under video effects, search for zoom or focus zoom or similar. Apply it to the end of your map clip, adjust its duration and intensity so it zooms out quickly right here at the transition point. Now you can transition to live action. Place your live action destination clip directly after the map clip. These are recommended transitions I would recommend to you. Light leak or flash. A quick flash can be effective. We also have glitch. A very short glitch effect as the map disappears can be cool as well. We also have whoosh or impact sound. Sync a sound effect with the transition. Now these are some of the advanced tips for beautiful Google Earth edits. Ease graphics or desktop. This is a desktop advantage. Use the ease in and out. We have done that. And we also use motion blur. For very fast zooms or pans, apply a subtle motion blur effect here in video effects to the Google Earth footage to enhance the sense of speed. Also, sound design layers. So, whoosh is essential for the zoom, ambient destination sound as well. And we also have zoom out to zoom in. You can combine techniques here. So we also have color matching. Use CapCut's adjust tools that is brightness, contrast, saturation, HSL to try and match the color temperature and overall look of your Google Earth footage to your real world video. So by combining smooth recordings, precise keyframing, strategic effects, and thoughtful sound design, you can create truly beautiful and professional looking Google Earth zoom edits and map transitions in CapCut. Practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.